I talk about 14 factors that influence the Amazon rank algorithm in one of my recent videos. In today's video, I will go into detail about first factor. It is text matching. If you are not selling enough books on Amazon, you should better understand the impact of text matching on search algorithms before you publish your next KDP book. Let's talk about this now. First of all, I know there are many Amazon KDP gurus on YouTube, and they think they know everything, right? However, be aware that since Amazon has never stated the exact logic of the algorithm which powers Amazon's search bar, no one knows how it works exactly. On the other hand, Amazon put some good clues on their websites that can help us gain a competitive advantage if we follow their advice. And believe me, a large percentage of sellers and the Amazon KDP community are not aware of these clues. If you watch the video till the end, today I will reveal the ones related to text match. Before this, I think learning the basics of how search algorithms work will help you understand the subject and find your own tactics to sell more KDP books on Amazon. Let me try to explain it understandably. Please notice that I will talk about search algorithms in general, not specifically for Amazon. When a user enters a query in the search bar, the algorithm starts with the query resolving. This operation splits the search term into more meaningful parts. For example, if a customer types coloring books for children 4 to 8, after the query resolving process, the result will be something like this. Category books. Subcategory children's books. Children's books age range 4 to 8. Children's book type coloring books. This looks like a simple process, but it has lots of challenges. I mean, imagine what if customers use synonym words, root words, or misspellings. But these are not the subject of this video. So after the query resolving, the related products are filtered according to different search strategies in the pipeline. However, most of the time, there are many related products for the search terms. As you see here, there are 30,000 books for the search term coloring books for children 4 to 8 on Amazon. So, to show more relevant and high converting products to the customer, somehow search algorithms must sort all these products in order, because e-commerce companies like Amazon are here to make money. Of course, this is a more complex problem than the query resolving that I just explained. The algorithms calculate the scores of each product to show more relevant products in the search results. Their scoring mechanism generally have two different sub-scoring modules: product scoring and similarity scoring. The product scoring is calculated based on the features and performance factors of the products. These features may be product information such as price, fulfillment method, category, and performance factors like sales velocity, click-through rate, and conversion rate. I mentioned each of these factors briefly in one of my recent videos. If you haven't watched it so far, I strongly recommend you watch it after this video. I will make a video of each of these factors like I am doing right now for text matching. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Today's video is more related to similarity scoring. To calculate the similarity score, algorithms work by calculating the frequency of a word in a document and comparing it with its frequency in the whole collection of documents. These documents can be product pages on e-commerce websites or specific fields related to product features on these pages. For example, if the word coloring appears 5 times on a product page that contains 100 words, the term frequency of coloring in that document would be 0.05. Of course, the algorithms calculate the importance of a word in a document more intelligently. For example, Lucene is an open source search engine software library, and its practical scoring function is like this one. I will not go into details, but as you see, there is a boost parameter here. So when we search the frequency of a word in specific fields of our document, like title, subtitle, features, or description of the product, it's possible to give different weights to each field while calculating the similarity score. Amazon says on its official blog page, factors that can help determine search results include product titles, product descriptions, and product features. You can use search engine optimization to improve each of these elements to boost your ranking in Amazon search results. What I understand from here is that they are calculating the frequency of the search term in these fields on the product page for the similarity score. For example, Amazon may give more weight to the title than the description field. So having the word coloring one time in the title field becomes more important than having it 10 times in the description field. Of course, this can be changed anytime since search algorithms always make A/B tests to get better results. So nobody knows exactly how it works. But I am explaining this to help you make your own reverse engineering tests and find your own tactics to sell more KDP books. Please notice that most of the time the frequency of the occurrences of certain words in certain sequences can also be calculated and weighted more while calculating the similarity scores. I think this is the case for Amazon, because there is a clue related to this on Amazon KDP Help Center. They say, combine keywords in the most logical order. Customers search for military science fiction, but probably not for fiction science military. Here we understand that they give more weight to phrase match while they are calculating the similarity scores. So where can you find the best phrase matches for your Amazon KDP niche? It's quite simple. The autocomplete feature on the Amazon search box is a great way to find popular long-tail keywords and phrase matches related to your KDP book. So use the related phrase matches in your title, subtitle, and description. But of course, make sure your book's metadata adheres to Amazon KDP guidelines. After calculating the product score and the similarity score, the algorithms calculate the relevance score by combining them. Again, depending on their search strategy, they can give more weight either to the product score or similarity score. And this can change from time to time after their A/B tests. Okay, then what happens after the relevance score calculations? I will explain this in the coming videos while talking about the other factors that influence the Amazon KDP rankings. By the way, as I mentioned in one of my previous videos, Amazon just launched a new AI tool that generates product listings for its sellers. In my opinion, we may see this tool soon also in the Amazon KDP dashboard. When it happens, since AI will write our titles, product features, and descriptions soon instead of us, I believe that the weight of text matches in similarity score and ranking calculations will be less. However, until it happens, exactly do what they advise on the Amazon KDP Help Center. I hope this video was helpful. I will go into detail about another one of the factors that influence the Amazon KDP rankings in the next video. So make sure to subscribe and like the video to support the channel. Thanks for watching. See you soon.